If you go back to our spreadsheet, we can see that the tour type that Kate needs to be able to edit is the Pogo Mountain Marathon. Let's find out what the URL is to that. I'm going to go back to our site and go to Content, and here, Pogo Mountain Marathon, I'm going to copy the URL. And I'll go back to our incognito window and I'll paste it in the address bar. So Kate can see this content, but she's not getting any edit tabs yet. So the first thing we need to do is give Kate permission to edit her own content. Let's go back to where we're logged in as an administrator, and let's go to People and Permissions. Drupal has fairly granular permissions, and the permissions are supplied by specific modules. You can see these permissions grouped together by module. So under block, we have administer blocks, coffee has a couple, comment has more, and because these are grouped by module, they're generally grouped by purpose as well. If you scroll down this page, it's pretty extensive. There's a lot of permissions here. And the number of permissions will grow the greater the number of installed modules you have. Over here on the right-hand side, we have a list of user roles. Out of the box, Drupal comes with 3 roles. Anonymous user, which is any user that hasn't logged in yet, authenticated user, which is any user that is logged in, and administrator. The administrator role is special because it always includes all of the permissions. You can see all of the permission checkboxes are checked and grayed out because we can't edit them. By default, the first user that's created in a Drupal site has an administrator role. That's why we can access everything through our admin account without having explicitly added that role to our account. Permissions are not assigned to users directly, so I can't give a user access coffee permission. What I can do though is give them a user role that has that permission. So if we wanted any user that's logged in to be able to use coffee, we can check the authenticated user box next to access coffee. But what you'll do most of the time is to create roles based on specific tasks that users need to perform. So in this case, we want to give tour creators the ability to edit their own tours. So this is a perfect use case for creating a role. Let's do that.